Hey guys, this is Tim. I recently received this retractable air hose reel from Giraffe Tools to do a review on. So I've got everything laid out. So let's look at its features, put it to good use, and let's see how it works. Okay, it came with this user's guide. This is from model TA15. This is a 50-foot retractable air hose reel. Okay, this reel could be mounted to the ceiling, wall, or a floor, pretty much anywhere close to the point of use. Comes with a couple of brackets used to mount on the back here, and it also would allow it to swivel back and forth. Came with a bag of nuts and bolts and mounting hardware to mount the reel to the wall and affix it to the bracket here. Then it came with this 3/8 inch ID hybrid lead-in hose that attaches to the air compressor and then the lead-in portion of the reel. The thing I like about the hybrid hose is that it's very flexible and kink resistant, even in the winter time. It's nothing more difficult than trying to untangle or roll up a hose in the winter time that's very rigid and stiff. Well, your problem is solved using this hybrid hose from Giraffe Tools. You have a strain relief on the end here to prevent damage to your hose. Okay, even though this is a 3/8 inch hose, it has the 1/4 inch fittings on the end, and these fittings are 100% brass to prevent corrosion and to last much longer. So taking a closer look at the reel before I mount it, it is 100% industrial steel, very heavy duty. There's no plastic parts. So it has a 4-way rollers to protect your hose from abrasion and from kinking, regardless of which direction you're pulling on the hose, left or right or up and down. This stopper here can be adjusted by loosening a couple of little screws here, and then it can be adjusted up and down depending on where you want it to stop. Okay, then if you look on the other side of the reel, you have this protective cap. You would take this cap off here, and that's where the lead-in hose would actually be screwed in, and then this side hooks up to your air compressor. So let's get it mounted to the wall and see how it works. Okay, I've completed mounting the retractable air hose reel. As you can see, it'll rotate 90 degrees left or right. Of course, I have my cabinet on this side here. So again, you have the rubber stop here that is adjustable up and down depending on where you want it to stop. You just have to loosen these 2 screws and slide this up or down accordingly. And when you pull the hose, you can hear the clicks. It kind of indicates where the ratchet will stop, and you can stop pulling the hose and it'll stop in place. And to release it, you just tug on a little bit, let it go back to the stop. Of course, you want to assist it in. You don't want it to kind of free reel itself back in. So let's plug it in, give it a try. Okay, that's probably about half the distance. That's probably about 25 feet right there. Pull on it a little bit, it'll retract in place. I have to say I'm very impressed with this retractable air hose reel from Giraffe Tools. It's well built with quality steel. It's retractable hose and stop, kink resistant and abrasion resistant, a hose that you can use year round, easy mount to the wall or other options that you need. And the one thing I like about Giraffe Tools is the quality. They're ISO 9000 certified, and all their tools comes with a 2-year warranty. So I highly recommend this retractable air hose reel from Giraffe Tools.